Do you think $95 is enough to make a difference in your savings? Well, today we're putting every single dollar to work. I have $95 to cash up into my saving challenges, so let's see how far we can make it stretch.
That cash, let your savings rise. Budget goals and dream filled skies. Can it, track it, we're on the right road. Turn those pennies into a treasure load. Save a little, trust in God. Join the Sassy Scribbles Squad.
Hey, Sassy Scribble Squad, I'm Patricia and welcome back to Sassy Scribble Co. I'm documenting my real journey from eviction to financial freedom, one budget, one paycheck at a time. If you're trying to take control of your money, rebuilding after a setback, or simply need some encouragement, I'm so glad you're here. Now let's jump into today's video. Today we have $95 to work with. And one thing that I really want to show on this channel is that you don't need hundreds of dollars every week to participate in saving challenges. We're going to work with this $95. We have to count it and make it count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. I cannot let these go by like that. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. First up, we're going to go ahead and I'm also using my cutie patootie cash breakdown sheet. This will be in my shop. That helps me let me know where everything is going. And first, I'm going to start with I have this saving challenges. But first, I'm going to start with the monthly saving budget. Slide that over there. And so today, July, we're finishing up July. You guys, I know that it's August. I know. But July is going to get $10 to go ahead and figure that up. Finish this, and then we are also going to go into, where's my red? We're also going to go into August. Okay, so it's getting $10. So one, you guys, how are your day going? I hope it's all wonderful. I was supposed to put these videos out over the weekend, but I was very, very busy. I hope you all can see this. Let me go up in here. I have a couple of things coming, and one of the things is a bag with completed challenges that I could put in there, because I was going to, I think on one of my videos I said I was going to use one of these binders. That's not going to work. And you guys, we are already in August, and I need to get going if we're going to get back to what we saved pre eviction. Or more, who knows? Okay, so this July is finished. And the total savings for July was supposed to be $30. Okay, so July, we have 20 plus 10 is 30. So the month of July challenge is done. Okay, so August challenge. So for August goal, it is $10. But you see the total savings for this challenge for August is $45, and we have $10 to go with that. Let's see. Here's the orange one, so we'll go ahead and do this $2. 3. Oh, that's a total of 3. And that's 5, 6, 8, and 10. So I have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so August 10. And you know what? Let me go ahead and put the finished ones in the back. And ones I'm working on up front. Okay, so we are finished with that binder. And yes, let's get started with one of my favorite binders. You guys. Okay, so we are not doing anything for roll and save this time. So for our $5 challenge, we are saving $5. Okay, and so far we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so for the next one is our $50. I'm talking about 5. It's our $50 envelopes challenge. And so we are adding $10 to that. And that is going to be four and six. Okay, so far we have 10, 25. And you guys, I have some different saving challenges coming up. Some that I created and some that I have not, that I bought, but it's going to get fun, you guys. Um, no savings for the 1,000 saving challenge. For date night, no. For Bible Ruth, yes, $10. Okay, so that is 1020 in the savings challenge for Ruth. Bible verse, well, chapter of the Bible. Okay, so that is it for this binder. Okay, so I have a new challenge with the ones, since I was finished with the other ones that you've seen. So this is a $200 challenge, and it is dollar dots. So these ones are going to go into here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'll go over here. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Once we get past $200, I'm not going to count. I'll count at the end of the year. I also want to say for anybody who is watching and feels like they don't have enough money to start saving, please don't compare your $5, your 20 or $95 to someone else's 500 cash stuffing, or even a dollar. Your budget is your budget. If all I can do this week is $5 and save five, that's what I'm going to do, because $5 saved is still $5. You're not chasing perfection over here. We're building consistency, one challenge at a time, $1 at a time, one paycheck at a time. And before you know it, those little amounts can turn into something much bigger. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Sassy Scribble Squad. And tell me down in the comments how much you are saving this week, even if that's $1. I want to hear about it. Remember, no matter where you're starting, every budget, every prayer, and every small step matters. Until next time, keep moving from surviving to thriving, one prayer, one plan, one budget at a time.